got to give the people. Give the people what they want. Bass. Back. This video is going to be a little different. You don't need to copy this graph down. You don't really need to do too much except write the answers down to the questions that I ask you and choose the answers in the video, clicking on your computer and whatnot. All right? So you're not going to have to write a lot of notes for this. This video should be short. It's review. This is going to be review for our next test. That test is coming up next Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when you have class with myself and Miss Reese. All right? Monday, we're going to do some cleanup, a little quick review. Tuesday, test. Bow to cow. So, get yourselves ready. If you want to get full credit on this, you got to score at least 75% or better on the questions that you answer in Educannon. All right? So, really, just worry about answering these questions. Don't worry about copying everything down. All right? So, first thing that I want to know is the point 5,3? Is this point 5,3? Is the point 5,3 a solution to this line? Is 5,3 a solution? Figure it out right now. Question just popped up. Hopefully, you said, all right, well, this is x, here's y. Here's x is 5. Here's y is 3. Here's the point 5,3, right? That point's not on the line, so it's not a solution. So the answer would have been no. So next question. Is the point 3, 4.5 a solution to this graph? Check it out. Hopefully, you just came up with an answer. Again, so you said, all right, let me look at this. Well, I know x is 3 and y is 4.5. X is 3, y, here's 4, here's 4.5. Ooh, that looks good. 3, 4.5. It's on the line. It is a solution. Yes. Okay? Now, is the point 1, 4 a solution? So let's see. We got 1, 4. Is this a solution? So you're looking, you say, here's x is 1, here's y is 4. Nah, man. Nah, man. Not a solution. This is not a solution. Okay? All right. So then you might be asked on your test to do something like make a table of values from this line. All right? So I saw something really nice that people were doing on the test that I want you to do. All right? So if I'm thinking right here, let me get a table of values. Getting interrupted. Who is this? Table of values. So if I say, okay, well, I need an x and I need a y from my table of values. Now I got to find good points on this line right here. And by good points, they have to be like kind of exact. So at the intersection, right? These intersection points. So I'm looking right here. No good points, no good points. Right here looks like a perfect intersection between 2 and 3. And this drawing right here, I noticed people doing this on the exit quiz a couple days ago. And I liked it because they were like, oh, well, here it is, my intersection. X is 2, y is 3. They drew this in. Do something like this on your test, right? So they said one value was 2, 3. The ordered pair for that would have been 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. Now we got to find another one. So I'm going to just keep moving up this line. This isn't a perfect intersection. This isn't a perfect intersection. Here is a nice, beautiful, perfect intersection. The intersection of 4 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis. When x is 4, y is 6. Notice how when I draw these lines in, it works out nice and pretty, nice and beautiful, okay? So then I'm just going to keep going. This isn't a good point, not a good point. Oh, here's a nice little intersection right here. And that's the intersection of 6 on x and 9 on y. Right? So we got 4, 6, and 6, 9. So again, you got to pick the right kind of points to figure these types of questions out. Okay? We're just about done. This is one of the quickest videos we'll have this year. One of my last questions asks you, what does x equal when y is 9? What does x equal? What is the value of x when y is 9? Hopefully you came up with the answer to that, okay? So it said, oh, well, when y is 9, we already did this, x happens to be 6, right? And we already knew this. When y was 9, x was 6, all right? So, what is the, let me figure out another one for you. What is the y value? It's the last question. What is the y value? So I want to know, what is the y value when x equals 8? So I say, okay, well, let me go to 8 on the x-axis. When I go to 8 on the x and I go all the way up, oh, looks like it gets right here is where I cross. What's my y value? My y value looks to be y equals 12. So I see that y equals 12 when x is 8. All right, so just some connections, hoping that you're making these connections. Graphs, ordered pairs, tables, okay? X values, Y values, good idea, good things to do. This is a quick one, all right? You guys have been doing a great job. Keep holding it down. Keep giving the people what they want.